What's up guys, welcome to Vlogs with Dad. It is 5 AM and we are about to take the bus to Kamikōchi to do some walks, to do some hikes. It's gonna be interesting, let's check it out. So we're at the Kamikōchi Visitor Centre and it's pumping. There's some very serious trekkers and mountaineers here by the looks of it, but we're just going to go on a much chiller walk. Look at us, we've got jackets on.
I'm shivering.
It's cold, it feels so nice and refreshing, even though we woke up at 4:30 AM. And damn, look at this view. Everyone's jingles because they have bear bells on that are supposed to let the bear know you're coming so they don't get it fright and rip your face off. Oh, but this is lovely. Look at that. Wow. Baby monkey. Here it comes. There's a little baby monkey in here.
Oh, sorry, we scared him.
Okay, what can we hear? There's something going on here. Either the locals aren't paying attention or they're just used to it, but yeah, we've just been staying still and they've just been scuttling all around us. It's so cute.
I'm sorry. What have you got? Cheesecake. Coffee.
Nice. Let it scan.
great angle of this one.
Yeah.
Oh, so close. Got a good feeling about this one. Oh,
Action. Oh, shame. Look at you. The arrogance. That's sick.
Made it to the pond. This is a pond, and that is an active volcano. And that's Saturday. So it's going to ring the beer bell.
No beers.
There's going to be no beers.
It's working. The bears have a fucking migraine.
The beers will have a migraine. Everyone's got jingly bells on.
The bells. We don't like the bells. There's too much bells. Please stop the bells.
I think a bear's going to attack someone just to stop the bell noise, you know? We finally found an area with people and bells though.
And we can appreciate the sounds of nature, which is lovely.
Yes. Oh, it's Saturday. Can't forget it's Saturday today. We finished our little walk and now we're going to go to a onsen that's using the thermal water around here. There's steam bubbling up everywhere. We're going to have ourselves a little soak. So these are like an old school onsen. Here's the ladies section here. And here's the men's one here. And they asked for a 300 yen donation, which is $4 each. So yeah, beautiful, look at that. So yeah, you come in here and get changed. And that's where you soak. So we just finished our onsen and you get to kick and chill out in this beautiful old smoky room. Oh, they got the fire on?
Wow.
I think you can go up here. Maybe not. Maybe. Oh wow. Oh, that is awesome. And this is a real bear skin. Oh no. Bear. She started pissing down, and there was a hot foot soak here. You thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah. It's nice.
Alright, just ordered a local snack. Eggs cooked in the thermal steam. Right, arigatou gozaimasu. Let's try it. Oh.
Ah.
One hot. Thermal egg and it comes with salt.
Thank you, my salt.
A little bit of salt.
Oh, that's a lot.
Okay.
Okay.
One of the two.
Yum. Delicious.
Can you taste the difference?
Yep.
Really?
It's got more minerals in it.
It was good, eh?
The white's half cooked, but the yolk is cooked all the way through. I don't quite understand.